Myntri Rangbah ke Sarkar Jela Konrad ke sama Hagsin Baal Labu Maunong Rem Ban Menteri Kam ya kisau Tylli Projek Hanong Ba Shillong Pat kini Kynthup ban Pynitynnad ya ke Ïewduh Watts Lake bat ya ke mechanized multi-level car parking ki ban pendon kam da ki core technology ban penduna ya ke jing khap nya ha ki surok jong kenong ba Menteri Rangbah Labu ya Maunong Rem ha ke jing yalang ke balak long ha Watts Lake ne nan palok kita ki South Ligi Projek ki Kynthup ya ke jing te ya ke commercial building ha polo mechanized multi-level car parking ha Vivekananda Road Hajan ka additional secretariat bat Kapolo commercial complex kajing Pynitynnad ya ke Ïewduh pat kajing penpha brew ya ki Tylli ki pung ha ke Jela pat ya ke Watts Lake promenade.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Then we move on to the mechanized multi-level car parking at Vivekananda Road near Additional Secretariat and Polo Commercial Complex Phase 3. Next we have the beautification of Ïewduh Market. And finally, the improvement and beautification of 5 lakes in the state, and which include the Watts Lake, Malse Lake in Eastern Air Command, the Nirman Jheel at Lightcore, the Nemo Lake at Williamnagar, and the Rango Karam at Resukalpara.
No real big intervention or many interventions could not happen in the past many years. In fact, for the past 52 years. And hence we strongly felt that it was an important moment in the history of the state where we would be able to transform Shillong into a modern and a more livable city and bring it at level with many cities in the country and hopefully many cities at the global level. And hence we have a dream and a desire and a vision and a goal to make Shillong city one of the best cities and one of the best capitals in the country and hopefully throughout the world. Now I know this statement sounds very ambitious, and yes, there will be many challenges that will come forward. But as we all know, every big dream starts with the first step. And when I say that, let me share with you, we have started on many fronts. Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center